What's up, everybody? How's it going? This is Extreme Scratchers. I wanted to talk to you about bikes real quick. If you own a Harley, like I do, and most between motors and stuff, when you go to check, this is a quick little tip. When you go to check your oil and it's cold, there's a certain position it needs to be on the stick, and when it's hot, it should be up hollow way. So I'm going to pull mine out real quick. I'm going to show you where it's at. Cold, and it's way too high. It is setting way up here. So I got to get oil out of this thing. So, yep, I did that yesterday. I did some work on it yesterday. I thought I needed more oil, and I kept putting it in. But realized, because I already injected, that it was up way too high on the oil. So I got to take some out. There's too much in there. It's almost at the top cold, and that's where it should be at hot. And cold, it should be right in the middle of this area right here. That's where you check it. It should be right in the center. So, but mine's way up here on full. So, and you can always check it with it on the stand, the way it is right now, not straight up and down or anything like that. So you always do it bent over, because these are made for to specifically check it like that at a certain length. And unfortunately, again, I'll show you. Yeah, it's not right at the mark. It's a little under it, but it should be down here. So I got to take it out just a little bit, and then we'll get that done off screen. But yeah, I messed up. So I was just wanting to show that to you guys. It's just a little video, but don't do what I did, because it's going to be a pain to get that out. I could just like drain it out a little bit, like take the bolt out for a few seconds, which is probably what I'm going to do. So, alright guys, I will see you later. Thanks for watching the channel, and I hope to see you again when I do some more work on the truck. So, I will see you guys later. Bye.